how are we all doing today? So today I am coming to you with this amazing and cute 3D curved face mask. And if you guys can see, guys, this is what it looks like. It's really cute. It's curved around your face, so it falls right between your nose and underneath your eye. And it fits just like the other 3D mask, but it just has a different notch over here, guys. And as you can see, I embellished it with some buttons on the side. So let's get started. Okay, guys, so now we are going to create our template. So you're going to need copy paper, craft paper, any type of paper to make your template, okay? So you're going to need an 11 by 7 1/8 inch piece of paper. And what you want to do is fold this in half. Then you want to fold it in half again. Now the next step, what you want to do is bring in your ruler and mark 3 1/8 inch let me bring you guys in. 3 1/8. Then I want to bring in 2 inches from the bottom to the top. And then 3/8 of an inch in. But with that, all you want to do is just mark a little dot. Now you want to bring something in that's round. Right here, I got a piece of cardstock that I made on my cutter. So what you want to do is join these two lines together, these two dots, marks. Sorry, guys. And you want to create a little curve. Okay? And then you want to come out and mark from this mark to the corner over here. So you want to mark from there to right there. And you want to mark from here going to the corner edge. Then you want to mark from here to here. So with your circle, you want to go from one corner to one corner, and you want to mark it and draw a line. Okay, so there goes our template. Now what we're going to do, we are going to cut this out. Then before you cut this part, curved part right here, you want to open it up and then just cut the curved part right here that you just made. Okay. Okay, so since I created my template, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it out on the fold of my material. And you're going to need 2 pieces, okay? So now I'm just going to take my template. And I'm going to put it right here. Flattening out everything. And I'm going to cut this out. Okay, so here goes my pattern. And there we go. So now what we're going to do now, we're going to sew this baby together. So now that we got our pattern, what we want to do is face pretty sides together. And you want to leave an opening about 3 inches. About 3 inches, okay? And then what you want to do is sew from here, back stitch, go all the way around, a 1/4 inch seam allowance all the way around to right here, back stitch, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so there I go. I stitch all the way around, going down, leaving 3 inch on the bottom down here, okay? And now next step you want to do is with every curve that you got, put a notch in it. Make sure you do not go through your stitches, so then it can all lay pretty good. You want to clip this over here. After you do all your notches, you want to turn this inside out, making sure that all your points are all out. Okay, and you want to tuck this in. Bring your iron, and you want to iron this all flat, because the next step what we're going to do, we're going to top stitch the whole entire top, putting a 1/8 inch border top stitch. Okay, so here goes all the top stitching that I did. And now what we're going to do next is we're going to fold this down. In the corners that you have right here as the swoops, you want to bring that down. So I want to bring my heat mat back in, and I'm going to crease this down. And then I'm going to bring the other side, and I'm going to do the same, bringing it down just like that. Okay, now what I want to do, I want to sew a top stitch 1/8 inch all the way across on both sides. Okay, so I came back from my sewer, and what I ended up doing was doing the top stitch on the top here and below here. And that's what it's supposed to look like, just like this. Now, you want to come and bring in your ruler again, and you want to mark, you want to go and mark 5/8 of an inch in from each corner. And that is going to be where you're going to pin your flaps. And now we're going to fold this in half, and we're going to give it a little crease. And then the next step, what you want to do is fold these tabs back. Just like right there. And do the same with the other side. And now what you want to do is take it to your sewer. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And all I did was just tack the lips down to the corner inch to where I have measured 3/4 of an inch in. And here it goes. So now the next thing we're going to do is add a little stitch here and something decorative. Okay, so now I have these accent buttons, and I'm just going to add them here to give it a little little design. Sorry. And now I'm just going to do the other side. And then we're going to put the elastic on. And that is going to be our mask. So let me do that and I'll be right back. Okay, so here goes my accent buttons. As you can see, I put some accents on this. So now we're going to cut some elastic. So I got my elastic and I cut it at 6.5, and now I'm just going to weed it through. So now I just want to hide the raw edge. Just like that. And I'm going to do the same to the other side. And that is going to complete my new 3D face mask. Now guys, I just want to know, if you like this video and this tutorial, definitely gives it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. I am going to try this on so you see how it looks. And as you can tell, there's one way because this way is curved. And I really like this style too. So let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so here goes the finished face mask. Now, I really like this style. It fits really good. It's kind of curved right there on the edge. As you can see, it's curved up and it's round and flat. And it fits your face perfectly. So, let's try it on. Now, I put a little accent on the side and stuff like that. But you don't have to do that if you don't want. So, this is what the face mask looks like. It fits really good. It gives you enough room where you can talk. And it's not against your mouth either, which is really cute. And as you guys can see, I really like this style too, guys. So, there goes my video for you guys. I really hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. If you definitely like this video, please thumbs it up. Press that subscribe button and don't forget to press the notification bell so when I upload a video, you guys will get the notification. And until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching. You guys stay safe. Bye.